Yes. Now it is recording. Okay. Do you know how to divide any big number by a single digit number, one digit number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me test. Let me check. Okay, Gautam, can you?
Yes, sir. No.
5, 4, 3, 7, 2 divided by 3.
One
Yeah.
second, sir. Doing.
You can tell your answer in terms of quotient and remainder.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, like I joined a bit late, right? So can you explain what we are doing?
Yeah, sure. Actually, we were doing multiplication by 5, and today we will continue with the multiplication by 5, multiplication by 25,
Sir.
multiplication by 125, multiplication by 250, multiplication by 500. All these things today we are going to see just
Sir.
after
Okay,
some
sir.
time. Yes, yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes,
Sir,
you're audible.
sir,
You're
can you say
audible.
the answer? Like 54,372 by divided by 3 is divisible, right? So the answer is.
It may be divisible or may not be divisible,
So
because
the
here
answer is.
I have given option to give quotient as well as the remainder. No?
Sir,
It may
the
be divisible or
quotient.
may not be.
Sir, the quotient is 18,124. The remainder
Wait,
is
wait,
0, sir.
wait. I'm asking for the procedure. Means step by step. Means
Sir, like
you
first of
explain
all.
me how you got that quotient.
Sir, like normal division, sir.
Just wait, all of you, and I'll ask one by one person. Gautam, proceed.
Sir,
First, we
I
have to
explain
check the divisibility in 5, right?
Yes, sir.
In 5, how many times it goes?
One time, sir.
One time with remainder?
2, sir.
2. So that 2 will become, the 2 will make the next 4, 24, right?
Yes, sir.
In
8, sir.
24, how many times 3 goes? 8 times.
8 times,
After
sir.
directly we can go to the next digit 3.
Yes, sir.
3, how
1, sir.
many times it goes?
1, sir.
One time. With remainder 0.
Directly we can go to
Means
7,
it is
sir.
7. Yes, directly we can go
2
to
times,
7.
sir.
7, it is 2
1 will be
times.
the remainder,
One
sir.
remainder.
And 4, sir.
4 times with remainder.
Yes. 0, sir.
0 is the remainder. Means it is perfectly divisible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let me ask Afan.
Yes, sir.
This is your question. Suppose if it is 7,8,4,9,3,1 divided by 8.
So that the first number is not divisible, so we'll take 2 digits.
78 directly.
Yes, it will be 9s are 72.
9 times 72 with remainder.
8 8s are 64.
No. Okay, with remainder 6, right?
Yes, sir.
And it is making next 4 as 64. 8 8s are 64, correct? With remainder?
Yes, sir.
How much? 0 is the remainder.
0
After
is
60.
remainder. And 9 it will be 1.
9. One time with remainder?
1.
1 means it is 13 now.
Yes, it will be 8 1s are 8.
8 ones are 8. With remainder?
Remainder.
Sorry, after 8, what is the remainder?
6.
6, sir.
Sir, can you explain it again? I disconnected.
Yeah, I'm explaining again. Okay, you just stay online. It will be understood. Afan, is it 6?
No, sir, it is 5.
So finally, right, it is 5 means it is 51, right?
Yes.
In 51, how many times it goes?
Yes, it will be 8 6 are 48. So remainder, sir, will be 3.
So with remainder 3. This is the answer. This is the quotient part and it is the remainder part. Good. And Manas?
Sir?
This is your question. Suppose if your question is like 1050708 divided by 4.
Sir, first 4 2s are 8 with remember 2.
Yeah, in 1 it will not go. That is why you are taking directly 10. So 4 2s are 8 with remainder. Don't go to mute.
4
Be
6
on.
are 24.
25 now it is 24. 4 6 are 24 with remainder
1
1 means it is 10.
2 again.
2 times with remainder
1
no 10 now it is
is 2 2 2 2.
2 remainder means it is making 7 as 27.
4 6 are 20. 6 are
4 6 are 24 with remainder
2
27 it is.
3
And you said 24. 3 is the remainder. Now it is 30.
7s are
4 7s are
28.
28 with remainder.
1 2 2.
Every time you are saying one less. How?
Again 7 sir.
Again 7 with remainder.
0.
Final remainder is 0. So what does it mean? Remainder 0 means?
It is divisible, sir.
It is?
Divisible.
It is divisible. Right. Perfectly divisible. Okay. And
Sir, I didn't get it. Sir, I didn't get it.
Anup, say, tell again.
I didn't get it.
You got it, right? You're saying you didn't get it.
Sir, he is saying that he is not able to understand.
Okay, okay.
It got.
Then go to then don't go to mute, Anup. Be online.
Okay.
Yeah, what we were doing here, we were doing just a division by a single digit number, right? Any number by a single digit number. Okay. Now you have to do one question. Anup, tell the answer for this question. 540,302. No, not 2. Let me take 1 divided by 2. Anup, in 5, how many times it goes? 2. In 5, how many times 2 goes?
Sir, but it's
Anup,
odd.
am I audible?
Sir, it's odd number, sir.
How many times it goes? With remainder, you can say. Sir, it will go these many times with a remainder of this much. You can say in that way.
Sir, question is 2 and remainder is 1.
Yeah, it is 2 with remainder
1.
1. And that 1 remainder is making next digit as 14, right? Correct?
Sir, 7. 7.
7 times it goes with remainder
0.
0. Okay, but remainder 0 means it is 0 0 again.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, how to deal with anyone? In this case, what to do?
Sir, 0 and
Then we'll directly go to the next number. Sir, you should keep the 0 and
Yes, we should keep that 0 here and we have to go to the next digit. Okay, wait. Anup, proceed. Now it is 3.
Yeah. The question will be 1 and the remainder.
1 with remainder?
1.
And that 1 is making the next 0 as
10.
10. Now, how many times 2 goes in 10?
5.
5 times with remainder? 0, no? So that 0 is making the next digit as 1 only. But 1 is not divisible by 2. Then in this case, what to do?
Sir, keep a point and add 0 to 1, sir.
No. We are not dealing with the decimals. We are dealing with the quotient and remainder.
It will go to the remainder.
Anup, let Anup tell. Yeah, Anup, proceed. We have to
keep the 0.
Yeah, we have to keep a 0. And after keeping 0, what is the remainder? That 1 itself is a remainder, na?
Yeah.
Yes, remainder 1. I think now you have understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to our actual concept, actual
Sir,
topic. Yes.
I just joined now, sir. What are we doing?
We have seen just the basic thing which is required for the today's class. That is any number
Okay, sir.
division by single digit number. Any number division by a single digit, 1 digit. Got it?
Okay, sir.
I think you are perfect with this much. Means any number divided by a single digit. Right? You're perfect, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me
Yes,
see.
sir.
Yeah. See here. In Vedic math, these numbers play an important role. What are the numbers? So number 10 and number 100, number 1000, number 10,000. What are these numbers?
Multiples of 10, sir. Power of
Yes,
10.
multiples of 10 or powers of 10?
Powers of 10.
Yes, powers of 10. So this first number is itself is 10 power 1. Second number is 10 power 2. Third number is 10 power 3. Fourth number 10 power 4. And so on. Here also and so on. These numbers are very important for Vedic math. And now coming to our numbers today, what I said, today we are going to see multiplication by 5, multiplication by 25, multiplication by 50, multiplication by 125, and multiplication by 250, and then multiplication by 500, these many things. So simple, we have to make these numbers in the powers of 10. So how can we make a 5 as a power of 10?
Sir,
Multiplied by 2, sir.
If you multiply it by 2, what we can make that number as?
10.
10. Okay. 25.
Multiplied by 4.
Multiplied by 4.
Multiply it by 4 and we can make it
100.
100. And 50.
Multiplied by 2, sir.
Multiply it by 2 and we can make it
100.
100. Okay. And 125.
8,
8,
sir.
sir.
Multiplying by 8, it becomes
1000.
1000. Okay. And 250.
Sir,
Multiplied by
multiplied
4,
with
sir.
4, sir.
Multiplication by 4 will make it
10.
1000. And 500.
Multiplied by 2,
Multiplied by 2, sir.
And we can make it
1000.
1000. So here 10 consists of how many zeros?
1,
100 consists of
2,
100,
2,
1000,
3,
3,
3,
1003.
3.
Okay, keep these points in the mind. Now see, any number is given. Suppose we have to multiply by 5. What we did in the last class, we haven't multiplied that number by 5, right? We have divided that number by 2.
Yes, sir.
And after getting the quotient part, based on the remainder part, that last digit can be 0 or 5. Because the remainder can be 0 or 1. No?
Yes.
If the remainder is 0, last digit 0. If the remainder is 1, last digit 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me show one example question because a few people are not there in the last class. All of you see here carefully. Suppose if you want to multiply any number like 24 into 5. So we didn't multiply this actually by 5. We will divide this number by 2. So when we divide this number by 2, we'll get a 12 as the quotient. 12 is the quotient, but the remainder is
0.
0. If the remainder is 0, simply keep the last
Last
digit
digit will
5.
be 0, sir.
Sorry. Yes. Last digit
Will be 0.
0. Last digit will be 0 and our answer is 120.
Sir, if the remainder is 1, we have to keep 5.
Sorry?
If
When
the
the
remainder is 1, we have to keep 5, right, sir?
Yes. We'll take one example for that also. 93, suppose. 93 into 5 we have to do. So instead of multiplying by 5, we will divide this number by 2. So 2, 4 times it is 8 with 1 remainder. And that one makes 3 as 13. And in 13, how many times it goes?
6.
6 times with a remainder?
1.
1. If 1 is the remainder, simply the last digit will be 5.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what if it is given into 25? Any number like suppose 28 into 25 is given.
Sir,
So we don't multiply that number by 25, but instead of multiplying by 5, we will divide this number by
4.
4. That is what our factor. How to know the factor? We have to make the multiplication factor. We have to make the multiplier as power of 10. To make 25 as 10, we need 4 now.
Yes, sir.
So that 4 will come and divide the given number. 28 by 4 is how much? Quotient.
Sir.
28 by 4.
Sir,
Quotient.
7.
7 is the quotient with remainder.
0.
With remainder is 0 and the last digit or last 2 digits, sir.
Last 2 digits, sir.
Yeah, see this one. In case of 25, we got 100. 100 consists of 2 zeros. Means
Yes,
we
sir.
have to keep last 2 digits. So here we have to keep last 2 digits. And those 2 digits will be simply 0, 0 because the remainder is 0, 0, 0. What if the remainder is 1?
So the last 2 digits will be 5.
No,
5.
no.
So 0, 5.
25, sir.
Yeah, 25, 25. Simply remember that remainder into the multiplier. Remainder is 0. 0 into 25 is 0, 0. Remainder is 1. 1 into 25 is 25. Remainder is 2. 2 into 25 is 50. And remainder is 3. 3 into 25 is 75. But it based on the remainder, we have to keep the last 2 digits this way. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because I am going to the exercise. That's why I'm asking.
So I can explain it again. Like I was confusing a bit.
Yes, sir. Tell me, where is your confusion?
So like I didn't understand like why you divide like 24 by 28 by 4 and like.
Instead of multiplying by 25, we can divide that number by 4. Actually, background procedure for this is this one. See here, all of you. 28 into 25 is given. So in this case, we are multiplying and dividing by the number by 4. So if you multiply and divide by a same number, will it make any difference?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. So in that case, this will become 100 now.
Yes, sir.
So now what is left over? 28 by 4 is left.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we are doing.
Yes, sir.
And at the end of, based on the remainder, we will keep the last 2 digits now. That is also based on this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. This is the mathematical background. And actually we did this in simplified form. We have made it form in a simple way. Simply, Siddhant, what we are doing is, we are dividing the given number by 4. And when we are dividing the given number by 4 means that the remainder possibilities are 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So if 0 is the remainder, simply take the quotient part, write the quotient part. After that, reserve last 2 places. And those 2 places will be 0, 0. If the remainder is 1, last 2 digits are 2, 5. If the remainder is 2,
take another example.
sorry?
Can you take another example?
Yeah, why not? We will. See this one. Suppose if it is 25 into 25. Now we don't multiply by 25, we will divide this number by 4.
Multiply to 4 by 4.
Tell me 125 by 4. 12 by 4 is
3.
3 and 5 by 4.
1 and 1.
So 1 times the remainder.
1 remainder.
Remainder 1. If 1 is the remainder, simply that 1 into 25 will be the last 2 digits.
20.
25. Done.
3125, sir.
3125. So if you do it in a process, will it be this much simple?
Yes, sir.
If you do it in a process, this much.
Questions?
Sorry?
Can you give me some practice questions?
Yeah, we can start the questions. Okay, let me write the conclusion finally. Any number into 5. So tell the processor. Divide
We'll divide it by 2.
by 2 and remainder
0.
last digit.
It's 0.
Remainder 0, last digit 0. Remainder 1, last digit
5.
5. Okay. Next, any number into 25.
Divided by 4.
Divide by
4.
Divide by 4 and based on the remainder, how many digits, sir?
2, sir.
Last 2 digits.
4 digits.
Tell me. 0 remainder, last 2 digits?
0,
0, 0. 1 remainder, last 2 digits?
25.
25. 2 remainder, last 2 digits?
50, sir.
50. And 3 remainder, last 2 digits?
75.
75. Okay. Now tell me any number into 50.
Sir, we should divide by 2, sir.
Very good.
Divided by 2.
Divide by
2, sir.
and remainder. How many last digits?
Last 2 digits, sir.
Very good. Because our base number becomes 100, na? That's why.
Yes, sir.
So last 2 digits. Remainder possibility, sir?
Sir, 0 means the last one. It's 0 and 1, sir.
0 and 1 only. If 0 is the remainder, last 2 digits, sir?
0, sir. 0, sir.
If 1 is the remainder, last 2 digits?
50, sir.
50. Good. Okay, tell me in the same way. Any number into 125.
Sir, we should divide by 8, sir, first. Divide by
Divide the given number by 8 and remainder and last how many digits, sir?
3 digits, sir.
Now it is the last 3 digits.
3 digits, sir.
Okay. Now tell me carefully. 0 is the remainder. Then
0, 0, 0, sir. 0,
0, 0. 1 is the remainder.
125.
5. 2 is the remainder.
250, sir.
50. 3.
Sir,
375. Simply add 125. 4.
500, sir.
Sorry, 500. Just a second. 6. Sorry, 5 is the remainder.
625, sir. 25, sir.
5. 6 is the remainder.
750, sir.
750. 7 is the remainder.
875.
875. 8 is the remainder.
900. Sir, it will not. 8 will not be the remainder, sir.
Yes. Few people are saying the answer. Few people are saying the answer. 900 something they are saying the answer. You should not.
Be answer.
Remainder 8 is not possible, na?
Yes, sir.
Up to 7 it is possible. Okay, now tell me what if it is any number into 250.
Sir, sir. Divided by 4, sir. Divided
Very good. Divide it by,
by 4.
and the remainder possibilities are
1. Sir, 1, 2,
Last 2, 3,
3.
sir. 1, 2, 3.
0, 1, 2.
3, sir.
0. Don't forget 0. 0 is a first possibility.
0,
Yes, sir.
1, 2,
0, 1, 2, 3, sir.
Last
3 digits, sir.
last 3 digits. So tell me, 0 is the remainder.
Sir,
0, 0.
last 0, 0, 0.
0, 0. 1 is the remainder.
250, sir.
5, 0. 2 is the remainder.
500.
100. And 3 is the remainder.
750.
750.
750, sir.
Good, good. And last one, multiplication by
500.
500. Any number into 500.
Divided by 2, sir.
Divided by 2, sir.
Have to divide it by
2.
2. And what are the remainder possibilities?
0, 1,
1.
0 or 1. Right. How many digits?
Last 3 digits, sir.
Last 3 digits. Good. Digits. 0 is the remainder.
0, 0,
0, 0, 0. And 1 is the remainder. 5, 0, 0. Simply that remainder into this multiplier, divisor. I think now we can go to the exercise.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, what is the heading?
550
multiplication by 50.
Multiplication by 50. Okay, all of you go to mute. I will come in the order. All of you go to mute. Mute yourself, everyone. Okay. Advika,
Yes, sir.
your question is ready.
Okay, sir.
Tell me. Instead of multiplying by 50, in that way you can say, you can start. I don't need answer. I need procedure. You have to do along with me. You have to make me to do. Any number, instead of multiplying by 50, what to do? Don't go to mute.
Sir, I didn't join last class.
Last class, I just explained everything. Yeah, see here. Any number, instead of multiplying by 50, what we can do?
So we have to divide by 2.
Okay, and what are the remainder possibilities?
0 and 1.
What if 0 is the remainder then?
0, 0.
What is that 0, 0?
The last 2 digits.
Yes, apply the same thing here. Okay. Now we don't multiply it by 2, sorry, 50. We will divide the given number by Advika.
Sir, 2.
Okay, tell me the quotient.
So the quotient is 1.
1.
2, 4.
2, 4. What is the remainder?
So remainder is 0.
If the remainder is 0, last 2 digits will be
0, 0.
0, 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Advising.
Yes, sir.
All of you be ready. This is your question.
Yes, sir. We will divide with 2.
Okay.
It will go with 2 times.
2 times with remainder.
Remainder 1.
Now it is
It
12.
will 12. And it will be go with 6.
6
with
times.
remainder 0.
Okay, now it is 0, 4, 4.
4 2 times.
2 times with remainder.
0.
0 means it is 0, 3.
3 remainder 1. Go with
1 with remainder. Final remainder is 1.
1.
1 is the remainder. What to do?
So we will try. Last digit would be 50.
Yeah, last two digits will be, right? 50. So this is the answer. Advik,
Yes, sir.
yes, it is your question.
So we'll divide it with 2.
Okay.
By 2, 6 will go at 3. 3.
3 with remainder.
Remainder is 0. 5.
Okay.
It will go with 2. Giving
With
1
remainder.
remainder. 1. It 7 becomes 17. Then 8s are 16. 1
With remainder.
remainder. 1 remainder. 8 becomes 18. 9s are it will go with 9. Remainder 0.
Okay.
4 2s are 8. 1 has remainder.
Just a second. Now we are dividing by 4 2s are 8, you said, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, means I have to write here 4, not 2.
So, yes, sir. 4.
4 with remainder.
Sir, 1.
1 means it is
15.
Proceed. Continue with your flow.
7s are 14. 1 remainder. Again
Okay.
7. Then 1.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. 2 and 7.
2 times with remainder 1. Just a second. Now it will become 14.
14 and 7.
It remains 7 with remainder. Final remainder is
0. Sir, 0 0 will be the last 2 digits.
so last 2 digits will be 0 0. Yes, Siddhant, you can.
So like when it became like 5 4, like 5 4, like it became like 4 became 14 there in the like not in the last, like in the between.
Not in the last. In the middle also we have taken 14 only.
That's what. So it cannot be the remainder 0. It should be 1, right? Like see, sorry, it cannot be 1. It should be 0, right?
Where?
So like 9.
Yes, after taking 14, it is 0 only.
Okay,
Now that will become 2, 0 2.
Then I got confused. Like I thought
That is before remainder, not the after remainder.
Okay, sir.
I've written it before the digit, not after the digit. Okay, then Charan.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. We have to divide it by 2.
Okay.
2 2s are 4.
1
is the remainder.
Just a second. 2s are 4 with 1 remainder. Okay.
2 9 are 18. Remainder 0.
Okay.
Again 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0.
Okay.
2 3s are 6. Remainder with 1.
3 times with remainder 1.
2 5s are 10. Remainder with 1 again.
1 remainder 12.
2 6 are 12 with remainder 0.
6 times with remainder 0.
2 1 are 2 with remainder 0.
1 with remainder
1.
1 15.
2 7 are 14 with remainder 1.
7 are 14 with remainder 1.
2 9 are 18 with remainder 1.
18 with remainder 1.
2 9 are 18 remainder 0.
Okay, 6.
2 3s are 6 remainder 0.
4.
2 2s are 4 remainder 0.
Now 7.
2 3s are 6 with remainder 1. When the remainder is 1, we have to keep the both 2 digits at the end. 50.
50. Good. Very good. And Gautam Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is your turn.
Divided by 4, sir.
Okay, we have to divide the given number by 4. Proceed.
Sir, 2 won't be divided by 4, so 25, sir.
Sorry, 4?
2 won't be divided by 4, sir, so 25.
Directly 25, okay.
4 6 is 24, remainder 1.
24, remainder 1, 14.
4 3 is 12, remainder 2.
Remainder 2, 12.
4 3 is 12.
Sorry. Remainder 2 you said, I wrote it as 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is 22, not 12, 22.
4 5s are 20, remainder 2.
Remainder 2, 23,
4 5s are 20, remainder 3.
20 with remainder 3, 36.
4 9s are 36.
Final remainder
0, sir. When the remainder is 0, the last two digits will be 0 0.
0 0. Good. And Harshit,
Sir,
proceed.
sir, first we should divide with 4, sir.
Divide it by 4. Okay.
24, 25 will get 6 as 24.
Hmm. With
The
remainder.
remainder is 1.
Okay. Now it become
14.
14. Hmm.
Next it's 3, sir.
3 with remainder.
2, sir.
Now it will become 27.
Sir, again it's 6, sir.
Remainder
3.
means 38.
38. Sir, next is 9, sir.
9 times with remainder
2, sir.
becomes 21.
Sir, 5, sir.
5 times remainder
1, sir.
means it is 12.
Sir, it's 3, sir.
Remainder
0.
0 means 5.
1, sir.
1 with remainder
1.
1 means it is 15.
Sir, it's 3, sir.
3 times with remainder. Final remainder is
3.
3. Okay. What if the remainder is 3? What to do?
Sir?
Is the multiplication completed?
No, sir.
Complete it.
We should multiply 25 and 3. Then it will be the last two digits will become 7 and 5.
Good. Correct. Manas,
Yes, sir.
this is your question.
Sir, 4 to the 8 with remainder 1.
Okay, you're dividing it by 4, right? 4 2s are 8 with remainder 1.
4 4s are 16 with remainder 2.
4 times remainder 2, 25.
4 6 are 24 with remainder 1.
6 times with remainder 1, 14.
4 3s are 12 with remainder 2.
3 with remainder 2, 27.
4 6 are 24 with remainder 1.
27 night is.
Sir?
Yes.
Just a second. Manas, 27 it is, right? You said 4 6 are 24 with remainder 1, you are saying. 24, remainder 1. How it will be 1?
3
Will
sir.
be 3, na? 3. Now it is 36.
4 9s are
4 9s are 36 with remainder
0.
means it is 0 2.
With 25.
No, how can you take 25 directly? In the middle.
We should take 0, sir.
Yeah, after keeping 0 here, you can take 25 now.
Now 4 6 are 24.
With remainder
1.
So now it will be 17.
4 4s are 16.
With remainder, final remainder is
1.
what if 1 is the remainder? Then
Last two digits will become 25.
25. Good. Yes, somebody Raja Puri Bhumi. Is it your first class?
Yes, sir. I'm not understanding anything.
Yeah, you joined just now, na? How can you understand? Okay. You have to join on time, and we'll meet in the next class, all of you. And we did until Gautam Krishna, na?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in the next class, I'll come from the last. And before coming to the next class,
Yes, sir.
Once again, you have to watch this video so that
sir.
the next class will be very clear for you.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank
Bhumi,
you.
you also go through the video again
Okay, sir.
completely from the beginning.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Yes.